Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless mouse to your laptop Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing you need to do is prepare the mouse. So you want to ensure the wireless mouse has working batteries installed, and also turn on the mouse. So look for a power switch. It's usually located on the bottom of the mouse, and toggle that on. And then step 2, we need to connect the receiver for USB wireless mouse. So most wireless mice use a USB receiver that plugs into USB on your laptop. That USB receiver is generally under the bottom of your mouse. So just go ahead and unplug that and plug that into your laptop USB port. And your computer should automatically recognize it. And now if you've got a Bluetooth wireless mouse, you need to turn on Bluetooth. So ensure your laptop's Bluetooth is enabled. To do this, we need to click on the search, get into settings. And then from here, you got these tabs on the left hand side. Click on Bluetooth and devices and turn on Bluetooth. Make sure that is toggled on. And then from there, you need to put your mouse in pairing mode. So most Bluetooth mice have a button to enter pairing mode. Refers to the mouse's manual for specific instructions. Typically, you press and hold the pairing button until the LED indicator starts flashing, signaling the mouse is ready to pair. So now on your laptop, we need to go ahead and click on Add Device here, and then click on Bluetooth. And now this is going to go and scan any available Bluetooth devices. Select your mouse Bluetooth. When your mouse appears on the list, click onto it, connect, and then just wait for the connection to complete. And then once connected, move the mouse to see if the cursor on your screen responds. If the mouse isn't working right away, try turning it on and off again, and unplug and replug the USB receiver, and also even restarting your PC will help.